isosceles of if the isosceles triangle ABC has a vertex or has a 130-degree angle at vertex A, which statement must be true? So let me just draw. I don't want to write out the questions. Let me just draw the triangle here, and we'll go through each of these statements together. I wish they had a triangle function. Okay, so this here is A, and this is 130 degrees. This here is B, and this here is C. So it's saying if the isosceles triangle, what does isosceles mean? Isosceles triangle means that two of my sides have equal lengths, right? So isosceles means that two side lengths are equal. So I can say this side length and this side length are equal to each other, right? So that's good. If those two side lengths are equal, then the two angles here must be equal as well, right? This here has to equal angle B has to equal angle C, right? If both sides are equal, right? It makes sense because the lengths are equal, right? So so this here, I can say that this is x, but this is also x, right? And then I can use the sum of interior angles to prove these guys here. So I can say that sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees equals, I have a 130 degrees already here. That's already my first angle, plus, I'm solving for x, plus x equals 180, right? I have 180 equals 130 degrees plus 2x plus x here is 2x. 130, if I move this over, I have 180 minus 130, which equals 50 degrees, equals 2x. And then I can simply just divide both sides by 2 to get x here equals 25 degrees on both on both B and C, right? So here equals 25. So this case, x here is 25 degrees. This is 25 degrees. So we that's all the information we're given with this problem, right? I know that two side lengths are equal, and I'm solved for all my angles. So let's look at here. Statement A says angle B equals 15 and angle C equals 35. In this case, they're both equals 25, so answer A is wrong. Option A is wrong. Option B, A plus B is 155 degrees. 130 plus 125 here. Let me just verify this. Angle A plus angle B equals 155. Angle A is 130 plus B is 25 equals 155. So this here is correct, right? 155 equals 155. Option B here is correct. Let me do, so if I know option B is correct, C and D must be wrong. So angle B here is 25, angle C here is 25. 25 plus 25 equals 50, right? So this does not equal 60 here. And then finally, angle B and angle C equals 20 and 30. Obviously, we know it's 25, which means here B is my correct answer in this solution. B here is the correct solution in this question here. So let's see what they solved here. Given the triangle, angle is 130 and angle AB equals angle AC. Good, because we know that angle B is equal to angle C because I know that the side lengths are equal, right? So they use the property of the isosceles triangle. Perfect. They use the exact algebraic expressions to solve for x equals 25, but they instead of they use x, they use angle B, which is totally fine. Therefore, option A is false, option B is true, option C is false, and option D is false. So this here is great solution and analysis. Solution here is